Hello and welcome to this Windows 10 tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps and programs from your Windows 10 computer. Whether you want to free up disk space or remove unwanted software, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Click on the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. You can also press Win+I as a shortcut. In the Settings app, click on Apps. Now on the right side, you'll see a list of all installed apps and programs. Scroll down and find the one you want to uninstall. Click on the app's name and an Uninstall button will appear. Click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm the uninstallation. Windows will proceed to uninstall the app, and you'll see a progress bar. Once it's done, you'll receive a notification that the app has been removed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to uninstall apps and programs on Windows 10. Whether you prefer the Start menu or the Settings app, Windows 10 offers multiple ways to remove unwanted software and keep your computer clean and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy computing.